Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nemo TV. I hope every single one of you are doing great. And in this episode, we will have an unboxing for, of course, you already know from the title, the Mavic Air 2, the Fly More combo. So the question is, are you guys ready? I bet you are, so keep watching. You're back. Hey guys, welcome again to a brand new video in my YouTube channel Nemo TV. Here on Nemo TV I post video editing tutorials, vlogs and lots of cool stuff. So if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button today and turn on the bell notifications if you haven't already. Alright, back to the business. Today we are going to have an unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. This is the latest drone released by DJI, and as always, based on the reviews that I've got, this sounds like one of the best choices for getting drone shots and aerial photography and videography in general. And since we have the Fly More combo, let's just open it and see what they've got inside it. Okay. So, actually I got this for my birthday for myself, so yeah, I'm kind of taking care of myself. So let me just open the box and see what we've got inside this bad boy. Alright. Come on. Let's take care of this one. Alright. Smooth. Alright, inside we have the bag and everything else is inside it. So we're gonna open this in a second, and we have this box. I'm just gonna put this here for now. Taking this out. Oh, it's heavy. It's really heavy. I mean, cannot wait to see what they've got inside that for us. Alright, a really quality kind of bag that you can just carry the drone and your batteries with it wherever you want to go. The quality is kind of good. It doesn't sound like being like waterproof, but it's definitely water resistant. And okay, I'm just gonna put this aside for now. Let's see what we've got inside this. Alright. I'm just gonna put these here. The stuff that we never. Okay, documents. Do you have anything else for us? Okay, so this is empty. Alright, what is this? This looks like the propellers. And let's see what we've got inside the box. Alright. I'm just gonna open it from here. Oh, we've got the drone. Alright, I'm just gonna take out the drone first. Alright, so here we have the Mavic Air 2. As you can see, it looks sexy and it's pretty light. It really is. And I'm just gonna put the drone here. Let's see what else Santa has brought for us. Alright, we have the controller. I think this is the battery charger. And phone. I think we almost took out everything that they've got, so it is empty. Bag also has like Mavic Air kind of logo on it. Alright, let's see what else we have. So we have the drone, we have the controller, we have the charger. Let's see what else we have in here. Alright, we have one of the batteries, another one of the batteries, phone, charging cables, charger. Since I've got the fly mode combo, instead of just one battery, I have 3 batteries in total. And FYI, the flight time that they've announced for the Mavic Air 2 is 34 minutes. So considering having 3 batteries, that's more than 1 hour and a half of flight time. So this is really good. So one of the batteries is here, 2 of the additional batteries are here, the charger. Let's see what we have in here. Our charger probably. Alright, I feel like something is missing here. The charging cable. Looks like there's a secret section in this bag, which is on top. I just realized that I'm missing some parts. So once you open this, you'll have a whole bunch of other stuffs coming out. Okay, so we have this cable, more cable, and I don't know what this is. Alright, so let's continue. Let me see what this thing is. Oh, this is the ND filters. Alright, so we have 3 different ND filters. We have ND16, ND64, and ND256, as you can see right here. So this is going to be pretty useful. And we have different types of connections to connect your controller to your smartphone, depending on what type of phone you use. And we have this, I think this is the USB charger for the battery. Yeah, this is the USB charger for the batteries, and by having this you can actually charge all 3 batteries at the same time. This is really cool. And what is this? This is probably the so these are some extra sticks for your controller, in case you missed them, I think. Let's open the controller. Alright, this feels really cool in hand. You have these 2 sticks coming out from the bottom. You just screw them in like this, and this one goes like this, and you have this holder for your phone that you can just use, and you have the cables for connecting your controller to the smartphone. So just plug it in, super easy. This looks really nice. I mean, I love the design on this controller, and this is where you can charge your controller from. And now it's time to see the drone itself. Okay, so this is the front. You have the gimbal protector. So before flying it, make sure that you remove this. And we have the front arms opening and the back arms opening. All right, this looks nice. Let me take care of these. All right, this one, and this one. All right, we are taking a look at the DJI Mavic Air 2. Looks, to be honest, looks really sexy and dope. All right, so we have one of the batteries here. In the front, you can see the obstacle detector sensors. Also, 2 obstacle detectors at the bottom. The auxiliary light at the bottom, which is gonna light up and help you land when it's nighttime. And also 2 more obstacle detectors in the back, but we don't have any sensors on the sides. If this is the front, on the right side you can see where you can actually plug in your micro SD. On the left side you can see the USB-C plug, which you can use to transfer files from the internal memory of your drone, which is 8 GB, and also your micro SD directly to your computer, so you don't have to actually remove the SD card if you're in rush. And to remove the battery, all you need to do is just, you see these tabs, just press them and push it up. That's all you got. Oh my god, the battery is like half of the weight of the drone. Click, so it clicks and you're all set. And one of the cool features of the Mavic Air 2 is that DJI has actually implemented the OcuSync technology, which means up to 10 kilometers in distance between the remote controller and the drone itself, you're gonna be able to see a live footage of the camera in 1080 with 30 frames per second. In order to remove the gimbal protector, all you need to just put your finger here and push it out. And over here you can see the beautiful camera that this drone has. It can take pictures up to 48 megapixel. It records videos in 4K up to 60 frames per second, which is really dope. We also have 2 more stickers just sticking out of the camera, and oh my god, so we have the camera here. Now I'm just gonna try to put on the propellers. You see the propellers, some of them have just this black color on top, and these ones have a silver color. So you're gonna need 2 of these and 2 of these. And the way that these gets connected is, you see this one, you see these like silver colors on top. This one doesn't have it. So this one is pure black, this one has the silver one. So the ones with the silver go into this, and the ones with just solid black go on the ones with the black. So you're never gonna kind of confuse them with each other. Okay, just make sure they are tight enough. Alright, now we have the propellers on them. So yeah guys, this is gonna be the video for the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air 2 in a separated video, which I'm gonna link it up here and also below in the description. I'm gonna walk you through how to set it up and get started for your first flight using the DJI Mavic Air 2. I'm also going to have a video on how to do the color grading of the raw footages that we get out of the Mavic Air 2. I'm just gonna put the link below in the descriptions and also up here. So if you already have one and you wanna get the most out of your Mavic Air 2, make sure to check those videos out. And if you had any questions, let me know below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications if you haven't already. And until the next video, please take care and mukhlas.